There's a digital threat taking shape, and that digital threat is you. Because once you've earned your cybersecurity degree from DeVry University, a university recognized as a national center of academic excellence in cyber defense, you'll be ready to take the next step in your career, knocking online criminals off the grid. Here's an average school day. Grab your coffee, open your laptop, and face down a whole slew of digital attacks. It's just another day on DeVry's Cyber Range, a simulated digital battlefield where the threats are all too real. As soon as you defeat one, the next one's up. Why? Because the program is continuously updated with the latest real-world vectors, informed by the MITRE ATT&CK framework used by cybersecurity pros worldwide. And if you want to sharpen your skills, take coursework involving web server attack detection, incident response, and digital forensics to dial in your expertise. To stay ahead of the game, you'll put your intelligence to work with the artificial kind, AI following your lead. But success in this field takes more than technical know-how. That's why communication, teamwork, and strategic planning are all hardwired into the curriculum. At DeVry Cybersecurity Center of Excellence, every second counts towards your future. You'll build knowledge and skills toward industry certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, CEH, and CISSP, with skills that align to the NICE Cybersecurity Workforce Framework. On our cyber skills training platform, theory is turned into tactical advantages that put your organization back on the offense. When you graduate from DeVry, you'll be identifying complex cybersecurity threats, and employers will be identifying you, because cyberspace is changing as fast as we can imagine it. With a new attack launched every few seconds, companies need more people like you, prepared to meet the moment and every moment that follows it. Secure the future and your own at DeVry University's Cybersecurity Center of Excellence.